Forget everything you thought you knew about tablets. The giant slabs, the heavy keyboards, the awkward screen sizes, it's all about to become obsolete. Apple has just done the unthinkable. They've taken the raw, unbridled power of a desktop computer and shrunk it into something you can hold with one hand. This is the iPad Mini 8, and it's not just a refresh. It is a total reimagining of what mobile computing looks like in 2026. If you've been waiting for the perfect device, the one that bridges the gap between your iPhone and your MacBook, your wait ends today. But there's a catch. A massive shift in Apple's strategy that nobody is talking about, and by the end of this video, welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. You'll understand why this tiny powerhouse is actually the most dangerous device Apple has ever released. Let's talk about the first time you pick it up. You notice the weight, or rather, the lack of it. It feels like a sheet of digital paper. But the moment that screen fires up, you realize this is something different. We are finally seeing the tandem OLED technology migrate down from the Pro lineup. We're talking about 1,600 nits of peak brightness. In the middle of a sunny day in Central Park, this screen remains perfectly visible, vibrant, and incredibly sharp. The blacks are infinite. The colors pop with a realism that makes your old iPad look like a relic from the Stone Age. And yes, for the skeptics out there, the 120Hz promotion is finally here, and it is smoother than silk. The jelly scrolling drama of the past? It's dead and buried. This is the fluid, responsive experience we have been demanding for years. But the screen is just the bait. The real predator lives under the hood. Apple has skipped the standard chips and gone straight for the M4 Pro silicon. Let that sink in. A device that fits in your jacket pocket has more processing power than most high-end laptops on the market right now. Why would Apple put this much power into an 8.3-inch frame? Because they aren't looking at this as a tablet anymore. They are looking at it as an AI workstation. With the new Apple Intelligence 3.0, this iPad doesn't just respond to you, it anticipates you. It's rendering 4K video projects, running complex architectural simulations, and managing massive datasets while you're sitting at a coffee shop. It doesn't heat up, it doesn't lag, and it doesn't blink. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the folding iPad rumors. Everyone thought the Mini would die to make room for a foldable. But Apple did something smarter. They realized that durability and reliability are what professional creators actually want. They kept the form factor but removed the borders. The bezel-less design of the Mini 8 makes the screen feel massive despite its footprint. It's an immersive window into your work. And for the first time, we have the Action button and a dedicated Capture button for the new 48-megapixel camera system. You might think, who takes photos with an iPad? But when you see the 3D spatial video capabilities for the Vision Pro, you'll realize this is the ultimate companion device for the entire Apple ecosystem. The battery life is where the engineering truly defies logic. Apple has implemented a new carbon silicon battery technology that gives you 18 hours of continuous use. Think about your workday. You leave the house at 8 a.m., you vlog, you edit, you answer email,